Wake up in the morning. Same thing every day. People are stressing, scrolling, complaining. They're looking at other people. They're looking at social media. And it works no matter where you are in life right now. If you wake up and scroll, complain, or stress, you're programming failure. Okay, so here we go. 1. Sit in silence for 60 seconds. I am becoming better every day. I am ready for what's coming. Speak it. Why visualization? Because our minds don't know the difference between imagination and reality. When you vividly visualize your goals and dreams, you align your mind and your energy with your aspirations. Gratitude is the frequency of abundance. So start tuning in. Why gratitude? Well, gratitude is a powerful mindset shift. Your brain doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. When you visualize and speak with power, your mind aligns your actions with your vision. That's how champions are built from the inside out. So it's time to take action. Start your mornings with intention, not just hope. You have greatness inside you, but it won't come out unless you train it, feed it, and protect it daily. Don't leave your life to chance. Take the wheel. Reprogram your mind and watch everything level up. When you start your day by appreciating what you have, expressing thanks for the blessings in your life, you set a positive tone. You attract more positivity. Gratitude makes you more resilient in the face of challenges. Remember, you always have something to be thankful for. It could be your health, your loved ones, your passions, or even the lessons in your struggles. So smile and say thank you. Let gratitude be your guide. It's like creating a mental movie in your mind. You see yourself achieving your goals, experiencing success, feeling the emotions of that reality. This practice isn't just about setting goals. It's about living them in your mind long before they materialize in the physical world. Visualization fuels your motivation, keeps you focused, and helps you stay committed to your journey. Feel it. Believe it. Why these affirmations? Well, let me tell you something. Our thoughts shape our reality. Why one goal? Well, having multiple goals might sound ambitious, right? But guess what? It often leads to overwhelm and procrastination. Instead, focus on one goal. Make it specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This clarity of focus helps you prioritize, take action, and stay motivated. This one goal could be anything that's important to you. Maybe it's finishing a project, improving your fitness, or having a meaningful conversation. Whatever it is, commit to it. Promise yourself that you'll do it no matter what. When you hold yourself accountable in this way, you build discipline, you boost your confidence, and you pave the way for success. The things we tell ourselves daily, they become our beliefs, our actions, our habits, our character, and ultimately our destiny. These affirmations are like seeds planted in your mind. They're designed to grow into powerful beliefs that drive your actions and shape your life. First one, I am in control of my thoughts. This affirmation is about taking responsibility for your mindset. You have the power to choose what you think, to challenge negative thoughts, and to replace them with empowering ones. By affirming this daily, you remind yourself that you're not a victim of circumstance, but an architect of your own life. Second affirmation, I am becoming better every day. This speaks to personal growth and self-improvement. You acknowledge that you're on a journey of continuous. With each sunrise, you have the opportunity to learn, to adapt, and to become a better version of yourself. Embrace the process, embrace the challenges, because they're all part of your growth story. And finally, I am ready for what's coming. This affirmation is about embracing challenges and opportunities with confidence. Life will throw it will test you, but you want to be prepared. By affirming this, you cultivate a sense of readiness, a belief that you can handle whatever comes your way. You're not afraid of the future. You step into it with courage and resilience. Just breathe. You're teaching your brain to slow down and listen. Most people, as soon as they wake up, they start rushing around like a headless chicken. They jump out of bed, start checking their phone, trying to respond to everyone. Stop, stop, stop. When you rush, you scatter your focus. Your mind starts racing in a million directions. This morning ritual is about pressing pause. It's about finding stillness amidst the chaos. Just sit, just breathe. Teach your mind to calm down and really listen to what's deep inside of you. Now, I know it sounds simple, but trust me, the impact is profound. When you start your day in stillness, you set the tone for clarity, focus, and inner peace. But if you start your day with intention, you train your brain to expect growth, strength, and results. So if you're ready to take charge, here's your secret weapon, a 5-minute morning reset that will amplify your potential. I challenge you to try it for the next 7 days. Commit to it every single morning and watch what happens. Now I'm going to make a warning. This isn't for everyone. Some of you watching this video, you're not ready for this information. You're not willing to level up. But if you're struggling in any area of your life, maybe it's your relationship, your work, your health, your finances. Maybe you're in a toxic relationship. You feel stuck. Then this is exactly what you need. They're watching the news. They're letting everyone else decide how their day is going to go. But guess what? Successful people, they don't do that. They take control from the first second. They decide what their day is going to be like. They decide what their week is going to be like. They decide what their year is going to be like. And if you want to change your life, you have to start by changing your mornings. Because once you get into a great morning routine, it's going to set the tone for the rest of the day. The truth is, I was in a dark place, man. I didn't even know why I was still alive. I had lost my dad. I had failed my mom. I got kicked out of school. I had no friends. I was alone in an empty apartment. So I wanted to end my life. But something inside of me stopped me. So I made a promise to myself. I said, whatever it takes, I will never feel this way again. And that's when I started searching for answers. I read every book, studied everything, talked to everyone I could find. And over time, I crafted a morning routine that completely changed my life. It gave me hope when I had none. It fueled my ambition and turned my life around. I went from making $0 to making millions of dollars. I went from being suicidal to getting married to my best friend. We have 2 beautiful kids. I've learned to surf. I've traveled to over 20 different countries. But that's not all. I became who I truly am. I've become happy. I've become healthy. And I found my purpose. And today, I get to help other people do the same. In the next few minutes, I'll share with you a simple but powerful morning routine that reprograms your mind for success. So here's what no one tells you. Your mind is like software. What you feed it every morning becomes your reality. Now I'm going to teach you a 5-minute routine that will amplify your potential. It's going to put you ahead of 99% of people to say these 3 affirmations out loud. I am in control of my thoughts. 3. Visualize your best self. Okay, close your eyes. Imagine your best self. See yourself succeeding. Alright, write down 1 goal for the day. Not 10, just 1. Write it down. Promise yourself you'll do it no matter what. And finally, 5. Smile and say thank you. And there you have it. A 5-minute morning reset that can change your life forever. But here's the truth. This isn't magic. It's science. If this message hits you, don't just keep it to yourself.